Заниматься is a very interesting and versatile verb. It can be followed by prepositional case to talk about location. Я занимаюсь в спортзале means I work out in the gym. Я занимаюсь в библиотеке or дома means I study, I do my homework in the library or at home. It can also be followed by instrumental case to talk about your hobbies, interests, your activities. Я занимаюсь танцами, я занимаюсь гимнастикой, я занимаюсь йогой. When we call or text someone and ask them what they're up to right now, we also use this verb. Чем занимаешься? And finally, when you meet someone for the first time and you want to politely ask them what they do for a living, you can ask, чем вы занимаетесь?